Yes, in this video I'll show you how to set up DVWA on Ubuntu, then how to set up Ubuntu on virtual Oracle VirtualBox. So setting up Ubuntu on Oracle VirtualBox is pretty easy and straightforward. All you need to do is to get the Ubuntu version you want to install, the ISO version you want, the ISO of the Ubuntu you want to install. I have Ubuntu LTS 20.04 ISO on my desktop. I have it on this on the desktop already. Let me show you. You see it here in this my folder live session. You see I have, oh no, it's in lab, lab. So where is the lab folder? Desktop. I have Ubuntu. Okay, sorry. I have this is Kali. So this is Ubuntu live server. I don't want this one. Let me remove this. This is what I want. Ubuntu LT Ubuntu 20.0 live server. Why I'm using the live server is it's very light and it comes um, it comes pretty easy to install. So what you need to do is to come to machine, say new machine, you give it a name, a VM name, Ubuntu. Then you select the ISO. I have the ISO here. You can, if you don't have it there already, you can just click others and browse for the folder where it is. You see it here, you pick it because mine is on the desktop and the like. So don't check this, uncheck this guy. I mean, so that you can have you can see how it goes. So if that is unchecked, just I want to increase the core to 2 cores. I want to give it 2 cores. The RAM is okay for 2 gig because my entire memory here is about is 8 gig RAM. This computer is 8 gig RAM. So you can also specify the size of hard drive, but 25 gig is just okay for me. Then you click finish. So when you click finish, you will now start the installation. You have been able to provision Ubuntu on virtual. You have been able to provision the virtual machine now, but you have not installed Ubuntu. So when you click start, Ubuntu will initiate, and then you will see how it is. So from here, you can see it from the details. You see the summary of what you have here. You see the size of the RAM is 2 gig RAM. You see the processor is two core processor. Then you see other description, other items descripted there. Then you see the storage, you see the where we are loading from. We are loading this particular ISO. It is just 1.39 gig. So it's coming up. This is what it looks like when it's coming up. It's not expected to take much time to install because I'm not connected to the internet as at now. But take note, if you are connected to the internet, it will take time because we try to pick some updates here and there on the internet so that it can update while it's installing. So but for me, I did not connect to the internet. It's off the internet. So let's see how it going. So we are installing Ubuntu first on our virtual machine, then we'll now set up DVWA. That is our goal for this video, to install Ubuntu, then set up DVWA. DVWA is the attack machine, is the victim's machine. I mean, is the victim's machine. It's an intentionally vulnerable web application. So we use this. We'll be attacking this machine from our attack machine, and also we'll be attacking it from the browser. We use tools like Bobsuit, tools like Hydra, tools like Hashcards, to be able to exploit this particular DVWA. Like I said in previous video, it's an intentionally vulnerable application that you can use you know for lab work, like for research, like we are doing now. This is for educational purpose, so you can use that for it. So let's wait for it to load. So I think try to check out this connection for, but now it's coming up. Okay, all those things that happen are not part of the installation. It's just trying to check my hard drive. I think there's a lot of slack space in the hard drive and it's trying to check that. So this is how it is. So just choose the English. It's asking that you choose language. Yes, you choose language. So I pick English. It's also asking at this the keyboard language. You see, I have English layout as then. So just click done. Here also is already picking an IP address because yes, so it's already picking an address. Yes, so you say done, just done. Then proxy, no proxy for now. Then let it update from this address. Yes, from that repository. Uh, so continue without updating. So at this point, you will just click done. You are using the entire disk. You click done. Just use tab to go to done. Click done. So it's telling you these are the memory. This just say done. Let it. So you continue. Are you sure you want to continue? Continue. Yes. So the name I usually use just something simple. PK username. So password, please always observe password policy. Let it always observe use a secure password. Yes, don't this is just for demonstration purpose and I'm just using a 3-digit password. Please always use something easy. So please, this is very important. Install this OpenSSH. You see it's not checked, so you check it, use your spacebar to click it, then you do tab and come to done. You leave the import SSH identity. You don't have any SSH identity you want to import. So just leave that blank at no rather, then come and click done. So you click continue at this point. So I think we're pretty cool with that to start. It should installing from now. It should start installing. So let's give it a moment and see what comes up. Then afterwards, when it boots, will now install um, we install the web server, then set up the DVW. We'll go through the documents that I prepared for it that we'll use. So just I think at this point you should get a coffee. If you are the coffee type, and then if you are the fruit type, it's a good time to get. If you are the veggies, it's good time to get them, and then sit tight. See you at the other side. So the installation has started. That's what you see. So, but see you at the other side.